So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix WhatsApp calls declined automatically on iPhone and Android. Setting and reset fix. Fix 1 is check network connectivity. Turn on off airplane mode for 10 seconds. For iPhone, navigate to setting on your iPhone, then select journal from the menu. Choose reset, then tap on reset network setting. In Android, navigate to setting, select system, then choose reset option. Click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Second fix is adjust system focus and do not disturb mode. In iOS, open setting and navigate to focus. Review active focus mode like driving, personal and sleep. Select the desired focus mode. Then tap on people setting with the focus mode. Ensure WhatsApp is included in the allow notification list. In Android, navigate to setting, then select sound and vibration. Go to do not disturb, then check call exception setting. Allow WhatsApp call to ring through. Third fix is grant microphone and camera permission. In iOS, navigate to setting, select WhatsApp, ensure microphone toggle is on, ensure camera toggle is on. In Android, navigate to setting, select tabs, choose WhatsApp from the list, go to permission, then ensure microphone permission, camera permission and set to allow only while using the app. Fourth fix is clear app cache and update WhatsApp. Update the app. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, then search for WhatsApp in the store. Check for any pending update for the app. If an update is available, tap on update or install it. Then clear cache in Android only. Navigate to setting on your device, select apps from the menu, find and tap on WhatsApp. Go to the storage option, then tap on clear cache to free up storage space. Then offload iPhone in. So navigate to setting on your iPhone, then select journal from the menu. Tap on iOS storage, find and select WhatsApp from the list of app. Tap on offload app to remove the app while keeping its data. Reinstall WhatsApp from the App Store. Thanks for watching.